Hey there, frustrated with a sluggish TV experience? Slow performance can turn your TV time into a tedious affair. Worry not, because I'm here to guide you on how to fix a slow Onn Roku TV. Whether it's buffering videos, delayed remote response, or apps taking forever to load, this guide is packed with tips to help you speed up your Onn Roku TV experience and enhance your streaming pleasure. Step 1. Restart your Onn Roku TV. A quick reboot can often work wonders when dealing with a slow Onn Roku TV. Begin by unplugging your TV from the power outlet. Wait about 10 to 20 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn the TV back on and see if the responsiveness improves. This process clears the TV's cache and refreshes the system, offering a clean slate for improved performance. Don't underestimate the power of a simple restart. Step 2. Optimize your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for a seamless streaming experience. Check your Wi-Fi strength on the Roku settings. If it's weak, consider moving your Wi-Fi router closer to the TV or use a wired Ethernet connection for stable performance. Additionally, disconnect other devices that may be hogging the bandwidth. Sometimes upgrading to a higher speed internet package can also make a significant difference in performance. Step 3. Manage installed channels and apps. Excessive apps and channels can bog down your TV's performance. It's time to declutter. Navigate to the home screen and remove any channels or apps you rarely use. To do this, highlight the channel, press the asterisk button on your remote, and choose Remove Channel. Regularly updating the apps that remain is also vital, as updates often come with performance enhancements that can speed up your system. Step 4. Update your Onn Roku TV software. Keeping your Roku TV software up to date is essential for optimal performance. Outdated software can cause sluggish operations and compatibility issues. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and check for any available updates under System Update. Updating your system ensures you have the latest fixes and enhancements that can aid in boosting the overall speed of your TV. Step 5. Clear the cache. Over time, cache data can accumulate and slow down your TV. Clearing the cache is a straightforward method to improve performance. To clear the cache, quickly press the Home button on your remote 5 times, followed by the Up button once and Rewind and Fast Forward buttons twice each. This sequence helps clear cached files, providing a smoother, quicker interface experience. Step 6. Perform a factory reset if necessary. If all else fails and your Onn Roku TV is still slow, a factory reset might be necessary. This step should be a last resort, as it will erase all your personalized settings and data. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, then System. Select Advanced System Settings and choose Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After the reset, set up your TV anew to see if the performance improves significantly. There you have it. Now you know how to fix a slow Onn Roku TV with effective steps to restore your TV's speed and performance. Whether it's a quick reboot, optimizing your internet, managing apps, updating software, clearing cache, or even performing a factory reset, these methods are designed to streamline your viewing experience. Remember to maintain your TV regularly to avoid slowdowns in the future. Enjoy smoother streaming and a more responsive TV, bringing you back to effortless binge-watching sessions. Happy streaming.